New Popsmoke album came out last night, and I'm going to teach you something special on guitar. But before we start, please hit the like button if this video helps you learn the song. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them, and subscribe because I'm going to be doing more lessons like this from this album. Enjoy. This entire song is made up of 3 chords. It's actually the same guitar that's used in the song I'm So Into You by Tamiya. So the first chord is an E flat major. You're just going to bar the D, G, and B strings with your index finger on the 8th fret. Next is a G minor. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 12th fret of the D string, your ring finger on the 12th fret of the G string, and your pointer finger on the 11th fret of the B string. Then next is an F major chord. So you're just going to bar from the D string on the 10th fret with your index finger. And then we're doing our upstroke there as well, so we're going to hold down the E string too. So all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for something special. Please hit the like button. It really helps my channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe because I'm going to be doing more songs like this. Thanks.